You feel her, right? You felt that?
This is our little story and a true, true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual win. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning. I'm about to make a coffee and I'm gonna use some creamer. I don't want to hear about it. I don't want to hear about it.
Yes, so you has to have some too, remember? Ready? When are we gonna go to dim sum?
You ready?
Yeah.
Let me see what you have on.
My drowsies.
I like it.
That Auntie Terry got for me.
I like it.
Yeah.
Alright, so who else is ready?
No one else. Except Momo.
Alright.
Momo's not ready. Daddy, can I put this watch on? Can I put this watch on, Daddy?
No, bro.
But
it's my
Daddy,
watch.
please.
It's my watch. It's
Please, Daddy.
my watch.
Please, Daddy. I really want to see how it feels on me.
Tami, me hear them and kill you for God dim sum from morning.
Was my idea.
Yeah.
I just set them on you. Oh gosh, look at these boys so handsome there, God.
Yeah, let me see.
Auntie Terry gave them these outfits.
Watch it.
Oh.
Yeah, Jackson, let's see your
Oh,
outfit.
Jax, come let me see your outfit. Oh, you guys remind me of. You guys remind me of a young Run DMC. You know what I'm saying?
Hold on, Jackson.
Adidas Stout.
I think you guys have on the wrong ones.
No, we don't. Because Auntie had the smallest. And this fits Jackson. No, this one is mine.
This is
Hold
on, let me check. This is right.
It's a perfect fit, bro.
It's correct, though.
And let's see all
So we have. Wait, meanwhile, my belly dropping out of my pajamas.
Mommy, Ozzy's one is not correct.
Needing some gears.
Tami, I was reading the article that Observer put out.
I know, Wayne.
It's
That's
so
12
nice.
years old.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, the Observer
12
put
years
out
ago.
an article that we did 12 years ago. It was our first Valentine's Day together as a married couple. And it's so funny because my favorite line is Wayne saying, we want to keep things super private. That worked out well.
Oh my gosh.
Nothing much has changed. I did all the talking in the interview. Shame.
Well,
Mommy?
obviously my perspective on being private changed.
It made me
In
think
12
of
years.
it made me think of something else. I soon look at it. We are very private about a lot of things. That's the truth. I mean,
It's
guys,
true.
just think about it. Quite a few months there, you didn't even know I was pregnant.
Jackson. Yes.
Ah,
Aha!
stay woke.
Aha!
Stay woke, people. Momo, come now.
Alright, you have the key? Oh, the key out there, sir. Let's go.
Me have my Adidas Ganzi too. They force me, you know. Match out. Oh, Tami, you know, you gotta have to shop. When you shop, you have to go buy some mommy and me
I know, right?
matching
I don't
outfits,
have no
right?
Adidas
So you
shirt.
guys can rock out and match out like how daddy
Yeah.
and
Oh, I wonder if I
and
should wear
son
this
them.
pink thing.
Aye.
Pink?
A little pink detail.
Little pink detailing.
Hello.
Boom!
Hello.
Hello!
Land right on the belly. Hello.
Watch out! Oh, hello! Hey!
Oi, oi.
Yeah, Wally, come, let's go.
Ready for them.
Sleepers.
It's just for Ozzy. Hold on, you have Adidas too? I was gonna drop down if you did. I was like, no, what is wrong with
I was
everybody?
trying to find it, but I couldn't.
The man always in a Adidas. Why when we say Adidas now?
I was trying to find my shirt. I couldn't find my
No, but
shirt.
look at the shirt that he does have. Vintage, established 2003.
A 2003 band for true? Sheesh. Yo, 2003, that big man a run road.
Okay.
Him not believe when we say we used to change him diaper, you know,
Okay, who has a key?
Of course.
and bathe him off, you know.
Of course, I believe it, man.
Who has the key? Alex, you have the key?
Oh, yeah.
Where is it? Alright, give it to Wayne. Hold on, move your hand, Baba.
Tungi, you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Mo.
Let's
close it.
go! What's Momo on the chopsticks? Yeah, go with that thing in a Momo. Watch out, I pick up there. Come like you go do a farm work at China. You know what I'm going over there.
Picking up the noodles is probably the hardest.
Let's just ask if we have to pay money for him to go to school.
Not a whole lot.
What is infinity plus infinity?
To infinity.
To infinity.
Infinity and beyond.
Infinity and beyond.
2x infinity.
We are going good people, trust me. We'll fix things.
Couldn't eat another thing except maybe some ice cream.
Ice cream?
You know, it's coming like we share our brain. Come there and say, I wonder who I got to throw it out, you know. Somebody need to throw it out, you know.
So
PS3 Momo and some old time days a day, you know, man. PS3.
So tired when we get
Ice cream, I do.
ice cream.
I think we should get some ice cream.
Cause, you know, me did I say here, me did I psych it out people. Me did I say, yo, the boys them look too cute for us go home so and waste to outfit them. We need to make one more stop. We need to make one more stop. And then the ice cream up on my mind, you know. But people,
If it's a pre-Valentine's Day, you have to just go for the whole shebang and Valentine's Day. Yeah, you don't have to get ice cream.
If me up on a young date now, say you guys see the Valentine's thing earlier. If me and Tami go out them time, them I have to care for like ice cream and sweet up the things, sweet up our mouth and these things.
We're driving to
Can't just go dinner so. Alright, I give you a joke. Remember our first.
Alice, daddy's talking. 1 second.
Remember our first dinner when I took yourself, Pops,
Yes.
and Nana out.
Oh yes.
Remember how it culminated, you know,
And how it all came together. Hold on,
with a
Alice,
nice
hold on.
ice cream. Did we end up getting ice cream or was
This
it
is
just?
how you won over daddy. Because daddy wasn't sure if him like you.
Mm-hmm.
But as the day went on, he was like, I like him, you know. But do I love him?
Do I love him? You see,
And he won him over with one sentence.
wanna say?
You want to hear what it is? Feel for like a cream.
I feel like a cream.
And when
It's
he
not what
said
you say,
that,
it's all you said, people.
you remember how daddy laughed?
I would have dip on my mouth.
What, something up on your mouth?
I don't know if I food dip on my mouth. Like,
Oh God, when I look back at the video, I'm going to see.
that's disgusting. I've been eating food out from my lip for like
How many
minutes now.
Seatbelt. Yes, we're going, but seatbelt on, please.
I mean, I could go real Devon house now.
No, on the Sunday, are you mad?
No. Trust me. I
Yes, we
would not
are.
do it.
Atlas, see the police there. Put on the seatbelt, please.
Is she police?
Right there. Writing tickets.
Yes, you see him over there?
Nope. I'm not
We
going
could
to
take
do
2
anything.
parking spaces over here, so.
No,
No, don't focus up behind the car, beside
I'm
the
going
car.
to park close to that side
we have
and
to
give
get
a
out
lot of
too.
space. Yeah,
No,
You
but we
guys
have to
will
get
have-
out too.
you guys are going to have
But look
mad
how much space
bro.
there is. Why do men do this? Men find the most difficult squish up space just to prove they can park.
This not squish up.
Just
no?
go for the one over there where we can all get out.
Oh, it's for too close.
There's a bush right here. We can't open the door.
My skin go scrape up.
Hey,
Yo,
Tell him,
one
Maureen.
thing with woman on a team up in a man.
no, there's
All
a
when it don't make
bush.
sense, you know.
Let me show you
Which
guys.
bush?
Let me show you the bush. We can't
so
even
that a
open the
bush?
door.
That
We
a
can't
bush?
even open the door,
Why me
people.
can't open the door?
Can't even open
Watch
the door.
me
Watch
come
out,
down
watch
and
out.
open the door good.
Watch it. Look way close.
Right in the tree, you go scrape up. Your leg now go scrape up, Mrs. Smith.
Thank you.
Alright, the bush did kind of little close on the door still.
As you wind up your window.
So
Mommy just saw who she knows.
I concede, I move, I park in our next park, okay?
Oh, lucky us.
Alright.
Let's go.
Alright, so guys, also on the calendar today, one of the biggest sporting events of the year, Super Bowl. So guys, I am going to be watching, and this is going to be the one game for the year I watch. Guess what? Your boy does not know who is playing. I have no clue who is playing in the Super Bowl, people. But follow too much sports to follow NFL too. But me I go watch a $6.1 million for a 30-second ad in a Super Bowl, okay? Tami, let that sink in. 6.1 or 6 million US for a 30-second ad during the Super Bowl. Yeah, you know when Americans hype up something, it's very hype, right? But no enough, talk the truth, people. A lot of you guys out there did not know who is playing or find out today, find out on Super Bowl morning who is playing. I'm gonna go like so now the biggest up. Don't bother, don't be that guy, okay? Tami, you look like you know who is playing. Watch it, Google people.
No, I'm not.
Google share Google.
I'm not. Thanks to TikTok, I know who's playing.
Okay. So who is playing?
I could be wrong. It's just what I saw them saying. So a lot of people are like, the Bengals. And I was like, okay, the Bengals are playing.
Okay.
And then they didn't know who the other team was. Like they were saying, oh, is it like, they were mentioning some other teams, but then I figured it out, it's the Rams.
So they didn't know who was playing? How do you mean they didn't know who was playing?
There was this trend where you're just asking people who's playing the Super Bowl.
Oh, for
and they
real?
don't know.
You lie.
No, because nobody yeah, you're watching and stuff, but it's really just the hardcore people who know the teams.
Exactly. No, it's
Yeah.
true. I thought it's me alone. Okay, so I'm not alone, not knowing
No,
what's
but
going
it's
on.
the Bengals and the Rams. I mean, you should Google it. I'm not entirely sure.
Alright, so you hear that, people? I know me alone don't know who did I play Super Bowl. So even if I don't watch the game, halftime I'll be tuning in.
They said if you can hear this picture, then the 2022 Super Bowl halftime show is for you.
It's on the class shoes. I work on your shoes at that.
The ladies know. Okay, so it's Dr. Dre, Snoop Dogg, and Mary J. Blige, and others.
Dude, that's brother, my era that.
Get your shoes out, ladies. Also, if you know the lineup for this show, you should already be using an eye cream.
Ooh.
I'm on mine. Don't worry.
No, Tami.
Yeah, we're getting old. We're getting old. Yeah, but it's fine. We have to get older.
Gee. If you're hyped about the halftime show at the Super Bowl, you probably have them bag of gray hair, yeah, chop down.
I have a gray hair.
That's true.
Yo, Jackson has a gray hair, people. But tell you, say, genetics, it's in our genes. It's bigger than the stress and pressure. Them gray hair, yeah. You understand? It's genetics. Jackson, let me try to locate. Tami, where gray hair there?
It was longer, but it broke off a little.
Jax.
There's more.
Oh my God.
It's because he's so wise.
A real wise man, this, you know.
Atlas, please don't shout at me like that.
A real wise man, this, you
Yes,
know,
I
man.
can help you. See, hold on. I come in.
You're a sage, Jackson. You're trapped in an 8-year-old body. But you're like 80.
Not true.
Greatly.
I would probably be dead right now.
I can see her kicking. It's so weird because she's not a kicker. I haven't been feeling her kick. More like I've been telling you guys is squirming. But she look like somebody like ice cream.
She kicking like me a ham.
You a ham?
So guys, me just post something on Instagram. Wanna know the trend where you put up a picture of yourself and it find your twin? Well, them say my own win.
No. What's winning for me right now are the comments. Somebody said a week out, my belly. I don't know if I'll be able to put in the sound. So in the beginning of it, he says, I bet it will pick Idris Elba like as his twin.
Oh my god.
Not Idris.
This a bit of man.
Somebody said Idris Elba. Hola Shrek. Love you to the moon and back. But there is a resemblance.
Yo, white people so wicked. White people so wicked. I saw the man. I saw the man as life take a toll.
Somebody said that they are grown.
Oh my god. Tami doing what she does best. Go to supermarket.
It's not what I do best, but I am good at it.
I do that in a cocktail. I'm mixing up all part.
Jesus.
Mommy, can I have my Rice Krispies treat, Mommy?
Not till we get home.
Okay.
I understood. Wait. Go on.
But I forgot.
That beat. I understood the assignment. 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 Yo, them beats mad, bro. Sick.
You feel it? You feel it, right? You felt that?
For the first time, people.
Oh my word.
Oh my. Felt it.
It's light, but
Yes, a nice subtle kiss. It's a girly kick. And then a boy brawling kick where them picnic used to give me in my hand mickle.
soon. It's the early
Oh my
days.
gosh.
That's nice, babes.
Yes. I felt it, boo. Like literally.
I know.
Oh my god.